Bicol University, built since the 1970s.
A world-class university.
Producing
successful entrepreneurs.
Innovation, creation,
Why
to business
Entrep?
implementation.
They provide for the country. They provide for the country.
Hello and welcome to our video about Bicol University's BAM's Best Entrepreneurship Program. In this video, we will talk about the goals and experiences of Best Entrep students and the reason and why did they choose Best Entrepreneurship. And so, let's welcome the Best Entrepreneurship students of Bicol University. Welcome. Your name, please?
Hi, my name is Olivia Borsa.
Hi, I'm Sarah Canyo. Richmond Laron.
So let's start. First question. Why did you choose Best Entrepreneurship?
Wala lang. Trick ko lang eh. Tapos, gusto ko mag-business. Para cool. Why Entrep? Because I believe that entrepreneurship is more about than just starting a business. It's about being innovative, creative, and making a positive impact in the world.
I chose BS Entrepreneurship because I have always been interested in starting my own business. I believe that entrepreneurship is a crucial aspect of our society as it drives innovation and economic growth. In addition, I wanted to learn more about the different aspects of starting a business, such as marketing, finance, and management.
Then, why did you choose to study at BSMMs?
Libre eh. Tsaka malapit sa bahay.
Practical thinking.
It's a world-class university, so why not?
I chose to study at BSMM because the university has a strong track record of producing successful entrepreneurs and business leaders. In addition, the faculty members of Bicol University SIBAM are experienced professionals who have a wealth of knowledge and expertise in entrepreneurship.
What are your experiences as a BS Entrepreneurship student?
Uli.
I'm sorry to hear about that.
Palagi kasi nila akong sinasabihan po. I absolutely love the sense of community that exists here. All of us students share a passion for entrepreneurship. It really shows in our interaction with each other, and I've learned so much from my professors and fellow classmates, and I feel so confident that I am receiving a top-notch education.
My experience as a BS Entrepreneurship student have been amazing so far. The program has provided me with wealth of knowledge of various aspects of entrepreneurship, such as idea generation, market research, and business planning. The faculty members are very supportive and encourage us to think creatively and outside the box. We also have the opportunity to attend workshops and events where we can learn from successful entrepreneurs and network with like-minded individuals.
What are your goals as a student and a future entrepreneur?
Huh?
Your goal?
Hotdog. To develop the skills and knowledge necessary to turn my ideas into successful and sustainable businesses.
My goal as a BS Entrep student is to learn as much as possible about entrepreneurship and apply this knowledge to start my own business in the future. I believe that the program has equipped me with the necessary skills and knowledge to identify opportunities, develop business plans, and manage successful venture. My dream is to create a business that provides value to society and positively impacts the lives of others.
And lastly, what is your message to everybody that wants to take up the BS Entrepreneurship Program?
Simple lang. Chill lang kayo. Mas importante ang mental health. You know what, guys? If you really like to be an entrepreneur, then go for it. Your passion is more than enough to pursue entrepreneurship.
Guys, entrepreneurship is not easy, but it can be incredibly rewarding with hard work, dedication, and willingness to learn. You can turn your business dreams into a reality.
And that concludes our video about the Bicol University CVM's Best Entrepreneurship Program. We hope that this has given you an insight about the goals of the students in the program. And if you are somewhat interested in pursuing entrepreneurship and making a difference in the world, the Best Entrepreneurship Program at Bicol University College of Business, Economics and Management might be the right fit for you. That is all. Thank you for watching.